Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by finding the obvious culprits. Open Chrome Task Manager with Shift+ESC and spot tabs or extensions using lots of memory. Once identified, disable or close those items. Extensions often spawn separate processes, so toggle off anything unnecessary. Next, update Chrome from menu Help About Chrome and let it restart. Many multi-process bugs are fixed in updates. Make sure background apps are off in settings, so Chrome stops running processes after you close the window. Once done with basic housekeeping, clear cache and site data to remove corrupted files that spawn repeated processes. If problems persist, reset Chrome settings or create a fresh user profile. The profile can cause many background tasks when corrupted. For advanced control, launch Chrome with command line flags such as process per site to reduce per tab processes. This trades isolation for fewer processes. Also run a full system scan for malware and disable site isolation features. Only finish by restarting both Chrome and your computer, then re-enable extensions one at a time while watching Chrome Task Manager. This quickly reveals which extension or tab triggers extra processes. Make sure to test with different sites and in incognito to narrow causes. If processes remain excessive, fully reinstall Chrome or create a new OS user profile to isolate system-level issues and run anti-malware tools. Troubleshooting tip: if unknown processes still appear, boot into safe mode or a clean OS account to determine if the issue is system or Chrome specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.